Hello Mushkins, and in this video I'm going to be showing off all of our Valentine's Day themed slimes, and some of these slimes you would have never seen before since this is the first time we are releasing them. So if you like any of them, they will be on our website right after this video is done. So I really hope you enjoy this video and you like the slimes that we came up with. And I think last year we only came up with one Valentine's Day themed slime, so this year we went all out. And to start off with, this is the newest addition to our website, which is a 500ml slime in layers of clear icing and clay, and the ink texture is just incredible. I love the slime. It's also scented like candy, and like I said just now, the slime does come in 500ml. It just makes the slime feel so heavy, and this quantity is just amazing to play with. And then the slime's name is Strawberry Trifle Cake. And then just as a side note, the slime will inflate like crazy if you play with it a lot, and you'll probably end up with a 1 liter bucket of slime after playing. And then this next slime is a jelly slime, and it's the first solo jelly slime that we will be selling on our website. This texture is incredible. It's honestly my new favorite texture of slime, and this one is called Sweets for My Sweet, and it comes with 2 little handmade candy charms, and then it's also scented like candy floss, and it'll come in like this ombre layer of white and pink. Then we also thought it would be a really cool idea to bring back some old slimes and sell them for the website just up until after Valentine's Day. And we decided to bring back our candy floss icing slimes, which is an icing slime scented like candy floss, and you can either get a pink or a blue one. And we also decided to do this just because of my nails, because I got my nails painted with one hand pink and one hand blue. The next trio is called A Box of Chocolates, which I'm really excited about because it is so cute, and it's just inspired by the fact that loads of shops end up selling boxes of chocolates when Valentine's Day comes around, and it's just a very common gift to give on Valentine's Day. So these 3 slimes are all inspired by those types of chocolates that you get in those boxes. And this first one is a minty green icing slime. Icing slimes are super sizzly and inflate so much. And then this one is also also scented like mint chocolate, and it comes with 2 cute little choc chip charms. We have very limited stock of the choc chip charms, so this trio, we will only have a limited quantity of this trio. And then this next one is a clay slime with a gold layer of clear at the bottom, and it's sort of inspired by those chocolates that when you bite into it you get all this caramel oozing out, and this slime is also scented like caramel. And then this next one is also a clay slime, and it has a layer of jelly slime at the bottom, and it's inspired by those white chocolates with the strawberry jelly on the inside. And then this one, of course, is scented like strawberry and chocolate. And now the next set of slimes come in a box, and this has been such a good and best seller on our website for the past week or so, and it's just such a cute little gift to give someone. It comes in its own little box with lots of little confetti wrapping and sweets, and then I just love these slimes in here. You get a jelly slime which is unscented, as well as 2 clear slimes, and then a cloud slime with a surprise Valentine's Day themed glitter bomb on the inside. And then this box of slimes is also called Valentine's Day. This is one of the clear slimes. You get fake little heart sprinkles in a pink slime, and then the next one is a red colored clear slime with lots of fishbowl beads and the most beautiful glitter mixed into it. The slime is so gorgeous. And then for the cloud slime in this box set, I decided to show you guys how we actually make the glitter bomb. It's filled with so many goodies, so I just thought it would be really nice to show that. And then I also included an old clip of playing with a glitter bomb so that you can just see what it's like to sort of open up the slime and play with it and then see all the glitters popping out. The next slime has been on our website for quite a while now, and it's called French Baguette, and we decided for Valentine's Day that we'll change it up a little bit and make it a pink slime so that you can order a pink one if you want. And then this one also comes with heart sprinkles, so you get a random baggie of heart sprinkles, and it's of course scented like a French baguette. The scent is so mouth-wateringly good. And then the slime is so difficult to make. Just kidding. You put a drop of red paint in it, and then you get that really light pink color. Then I also forgot to mention, but this is a clay slime, and clay slimes inflate so much. So this slime, you'll end up with double the quantity just after like 2 minutes of playing. Now this next slime is also a Valentine's Day version of one of our best sellers on our website, which is Jellyfish's. And the original Jellyfish's is sort of a swirl of blue food coloring in clear slime. And then this Valentine's Day version is obviously a pink swirl. And then the slime is also topped with some fishbowl beads and pink shredded glitter, whereas the original one is topped with white shredded glitter. And then it was so much fun to mix in all the food coloring into the slime. It turned into this really bright pink slime. And just like the original one, once you mix in all the blue food coloring, it turns into this really bright blue slime. And it's so beautiful. This next slime is a cloud slime, and it's also been on our website for quite a long time, and it's also been a bestseller, which is our minty ice cream scoop slime. And then the original one is sort of like a green turquoise color, and then we decided to make a Valentine's Day version, which is a light pink color, and then this one gets topped with fake sprinkles. I really love this slime. And then this one is also unscented. And then this next slime, I haven't posted a video of this one yet, so I decided in this video I'll show you how we make it and then play with the slime to show you the end texture. And I really love this slime. It's sort of like an icing slime, cloud slime hybrid, and it's scented like Dreamsicle, which is one of our imported fragrances, and it's sort of like a vanilla orange zesty type fragrance, which is absolutely mouth-wateringly good. And it's a pink icing slime topped with some cloud slime, and then something magical happens on the top. And on top of this slime, we sort of make a little heart indentation in the cloud slime, and then that gets filled with pink foam beads, and then you get a little sprinkle of glitter on the side. And this slime is called XOXO. This is probably one of my absolute favorite Valentine's Day slimes that we released. And then this next slime is also sort of a Valentine's Day version of one of our best sellers, which is blueberry flapjack. And the original blueberry flapjack has a layer of purple at the bottom, purple layer of clear slime, and then clay slime on top. And then the Valentine's Day version has a red clear slime layer at the bottom. And then this one is also scented with the original fragrance, which is blueberry flapjack. It is such a good and mouth-wateringly good scent. It's amazing. It's also one of our imported fragrances. And then to make this slime, you split your clay slime into 2 layers or into 2 blobs, and then one gets left white and then the other gets colored with this cookie color, which is a drop of orange and a drop of green. And then you sort of put it into the layers. And then the slime gets topped with 2 different colors of pink foam beads. And the end texture is also really amazing. Sort of like a thick clay slime texture. And then this last slime is probably one of my favorite slimes as well that we've released for Valentine's Day. And the awesome thing about this slime is that it will probably be kept even after Valentine's Day, because it's not a blatantly pink and Valentine's Day themed slime. This slime is called Peppermint Crisp, and it's scented just like the name. It's one of the best scents I have ever smelled, and it's a layer of sort of cookie color icing slime at the bottom, and then you get a layer of white and green clay slime on top, and it's topped with these really awesome looking fake chocolate sprinkles. And some of you may have noticed that this slime has been out of stock for quite a while now, but just because of this video we decided to put a few more of a very limited quantity on the website. So if you really like this slime, I suggest you go and grab it right now. to end off this video, I decided to add in a clip of me playing with the new Peppermint crisp slime, and this is quite an old clip since I took it quite a while ago, but I was just never able to post it because the slime was out of stock so quickly. So here is the clip. The end texture is really amazing and I really love this slime. So much for watching this video, and we really wish you the happiest and loveliest Valentine's Day next week.